Oh, the sun's going down. Are you finally ready to keep walking? Well, come on. Let's go. Come on. I know, you've been smelling there for a long time. Very interesting, isn't it? Oh, whatever it was, it really upset you, didn't it? Whoa, he's very unhappy now. Oh, he's gonna be fussy. Uh-oh. There's another kitty in there. You see her? There she is back there. Oh no. Let's go. Do you see another kitty on your log? Yeah. She says she doesn't belong there. That's your log, isn't it? Or are you unhappy? Yes. Where's she going?